Hey everybody, welcome back to another business analysis video. In today's video, we will be exploring the secrets to becoming a successful business analyst. Are you ready? So are you ready to take your business analyst skills to the next level? This is what I'm sharing today. Becoming a successful business analyst is part of what will help you to take your project or your company to the top by adding value. As a business analyst, your role is crucial, very crucial, in driving business success and growth. But what does it take to excel in this field as a business analyst? What exactly does it take? First and foremost, a successful business analyst must possess strong analytical skills. It's in the job title, business analyst. You want to have strong analytical skills. You need to be able to analyze complex data, identify patterns, extract meaningful insights from complex data. These skills will really enable you to make informed decisions and drive your company towards success, drive your project towards success. But that's not all you need as a business analyst. A successful business analyst also needs to have excellent communication skills. That's top soft skill. Why? Because you'll be working closely with various stakeholders, from executives to developers, and it's essential to effectively convey your insights. It's essential to effectively convey your recommendations. Clear and concise communication is key to gaining buy-in and driving change within your organization. I have an existing video about effective communication as business analyst, what you need. Clicking on the link. But furthermore, to bring your project to success, you need to be proactive and constantly stay updated with industry trends as well as best practices. Technology is constantly evolving. There's always some new system, AI, so many things. And as a business analyst, it's your responsibility to adapt and embrace new tools and methodologies. Another crucial aspect of becoming a successful business analyst is collaboration, which kind of goes in line with communication. By working closely with other teams, working closely with other departments, you can build strong relationships and create a culture of collaboration within your organization. Now, I want you to remember that success as a business analyst is not solely measured by your individual accomplishments, but also by the impact that you have on your company's growth and success. By following these key secrets, I hope that you can help to elevate your company's expectations, your project expectations to success. So today's video is quite a straightforward video, just to really help you to learn how to become a successful business analyst. So watch out for all these various aspects within business analysis. So if you found today's information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this content. You never know who it might help. And as always, I'll see you in my next one. Peace.